Today we're going to be playing with our slime and we're going to be coloring. I also got a different one and it says hello. And we might be doing our hello one again. Well, we might be doing our dream one again, or we might just be doing hello. So, first of all, we're going to be doing our slime first. Then we're playing with our random mix. That's what we're going to call it, random mix. I named them, so that is random mix. This is random mix. These are both random mix because they're the same thing.
Why are you mixing it?
They're the same. I've had these. Okay, we're gonna be doing the same thing as yesterday. Well, last night. Come on. Won't come out. Go get me a knife, Audrey.
A sharp one?
Just the butter knife.
I can't get out.
Okay, well, she's getting me a butter knife. Let's play with this slime. That's my sister right there. As you saw yesterday, she was slurping, so. And I'm gonna be doing videos every day.
And now a sharp one.
Every day. So like say Wednesday, I'll be doing it every other Wednesday. Say Friday, I would be doing it every other Friday. But I will be doing it always on Sunday, no matter what. I will be doing it not every other Sunday, like every Sunday. So.
Okay, where's the blue one?
One's it?
No, where's the blue one?
What's the blue one?
What we make?
It's ruined, remember? Mom threw it
Mama.
away.
I don't use all the stuff.
No, you don't. Just be quiet, okay? That's why I'm making my video. This is what it looks like. So now, let's try to make a bubble. Let's do this back.
Any more?
I don't. Hi guys.
Oh, these solid.
Oh. Okay, that's it for this slime. Give it a round of applause.
Now are you finished that shine?
No, we gotta put it away. You're gonna help me color, remember?
I don't want color.
Well, then you don't get to do nothing else. You get the color, because this is my slide, not yours. Listen, you guys be quiet and listen. Want to poke it?
No, just play with me.
Poke it.
Not working.
Come on. Get it.
Yay. I didn't play with it.
Okay.
Now when you do it,
Give me that, no. I didn't even hurt you. That was a slime. That was you, actually.
no.
poke it again? Gotta poke it really hard. I made a little furnace.
No, I didn't hear it.
Because you have to push really hard.
I was.
Do it.
That was a swirl.
Alright. Put this
Then
back.
you do that.
No, I gotta make a swirl and then that. Wait, no, I actually do that first. Wait, yeah, I actually do a swirl first. So you guys saw how I did it yesterday? Just gotta roll it out. I gotta do an Insta swirl. That's what other YouTubers call it, an Insta swirl. An Insta swirl. So, go like this. Go like this. Go like that. Let it drop. Drop. And go here. Here's my random next swirl. Now you guys be quiet, okay? Wait. Shh, shh, be quiet. I've been recording for 6 minutes. If you guys are wondering, it's been 6 minutes. Audrey, quiet. Sit. Go sit down, Audrey. Want to poke it? No, poke it. There you go.
Ow.
Where's the lid?
That heavy.
Where's the lid? I'm serious. Don't. Okay, well, we're done with the random mix of everything.
A big one.
Now it's time for... Ah! What color should we do?
On green. I can play with some. So you're not doing two. So you're not doing all of them.
You can only poke them, don't take them out. Okay. Okay, so next, this is the green. Audrey, don't take it out. Why? Next, this is the green slime.
Yeah,
So here's the bubbles.
Ah! What the?
Audrey, you gotta move the lid. You gotta move that
Oh,
lid.
this is sticky. Oh, see, it's sticky.
It's not that sticky. Look at it. That's why, because you don't play with slime right.
Wait, how
Put it all back.
how we play with it again?
You should know how to play with slime. You watch slime videos all the time.
Wait, I know how I got.
Then don't take it out. Because supposedly you are taking it out.
They're poking it. But it's too low.
Okay, my bubble. Hi guys. Oh.
I'm trying to make it ready. Yeah, move this up.
Pick that up. Pick that up. I'm gonna move this over here. Pick it up and put it back. There. Now I have it. There we go. Okay. So now we're gonna make a bottle.
Sissy. What?
What? What do you say?
That's 3, 1, 2.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
Say it louder.
Hmm.
Then I'm not gonna play with you.
Excuse me.
Say it nicer.
Excuse me.
That's still mean. Say it nicer.
Excuse me.
Louder and nicer.
Excuse me.
That was mean. Louder, nicer.
I don't know how to do it.
Just go. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Louder, like I was.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna go. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Say it right. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Like you're trying to get everybody's attention.
Excuse me.
There you go. Hi guys. I hate this slime.
Wait, now you can do blue.
I still gotta do an Insta scroll and I still got a cookie.
Cookie.
A click. That click.
Do you have to fart it?
No, don't.
You fall. Look at that one. Oh, it's bubble. It's chocolate.
I'll be careful of your hair.
Whoa, that was a close one.
Here's an Insta swirl.
This one looks like red. This one looks like light blue. Dark blue.
Here's the green Insta swirl. Put it down. Now here's a cookie. Be quiet, you guys. Quiet. I'll just be quiet. Quiet.
Looks different. Good. Oh, make an eye. So good.
Okay. You're not supposed to be pulling it out. I saw you pull it
No,
out.
I was just trying to do something with it. Wait, now put it back out to do this.
Now I'm gonna do orange.
Orange? That's a poo color.
No, the green is called earth. The orange is called magma.
Magma.
Magma. And the blue is called light
Cool.
light cloud sky. Light cloud sky. No. Fine.
This one.
Hello? Hello, can you guys see me? Hello? Can you see me? Can you see me?
Can you see me?
Don't do that. That's only for me.
What?
I said you're only supposed to click it.
That's this
Okay.
one.
Let's try to make a bubble.
You didn't use blue yet.
Yeah, I know. Hello? Holly.
This is
Get
orange. This is orange.
You wanted to play with slime, so.
Well, I am getting tired to do this.
Can you guys see me?
I'm gonna take it out. Hi. And now we'll just put it right here.
No, move. Scoop. Aw.
Like this. Look at tiny. Look at how volcano. It's falling, falling. Look at this big cable. Oh, I got sorry. Like, oh,
Okay, this is how you do it. Fart.
I just farted.
Fart. Move, Audrey, move. Audrey, no. Get off the table. Get off the table. There's my swirl. Now, listen to the click.
I want you to click it.
Okay.
Click it.
Your hand's in the way.
What color are we doing? Oh, I thought that was the wrong one.
Orange goes in the middle.
Oh.
Well, I should say magma goes in the middle.
No, you haven't blue, white.
Okay, you see my hand?
Yeah.
Look at you guys, you can see my hand. Hi.
No, don't care.
Because it's on camera. And yes, I'm recording with my iPhone 7. iPhone 7.
Oh.
Go check my cousin's channel out at Ava Whitehead. AVA Ava Whitehead is just spell white and then head.
Yeah, God.
She has a lot of videos, and some of them I'm in, so yeah. Like hoverboard 1 and 2, I'll be recording, so look for that. And also, get out of the way.
You're doing blue. Wait, were you ready to do blue?
No.
Oh, yeah, one will pop out.
Okay, here we come. No, it ain't called blue. It's called light blue sky color. Wait, no. No, light. Oh, what'd you just do?
Oh, I did it too. I'm nice. I did. Oh, wait. Look it.
Bubble. Oh.
Oh my god.
Move on, please.
Quick.
What?
I got some glue out of me. Ready?
Audrey, move.
Big, and
Move. Mom.
no.
Yummy.
Look at, you can spray here.
Hello, girl.
Hey, why not put it in here? Why not put it in here?
Because that's where the blue is.
I need to call it blue.
So, my slime, I can call it whatever I want.
I can too.
No, it's my slime, not yours.
But it's hard to say that.
Just say sky blue. It's just gonna be called sky blue.
Now you say cloud.
We can just call it sky blue then.
Watch this.
Ah.
Tie like a hair. That was like a hair.
Put it back in.
I'm gonna show you something.
Put it back in.
So, where's it here?
That goes here.
He.
Quit. Just gotta let it drop. And really quit copying me. I'm not joking, as I will get you off this channel. And I will not let you color. Here's the swirl. The blue one is terrible, but still. Now listen to the click. Whoa. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Oh, second.
Alright, can I see the slime?
Stick it to me. Oh, jeez. Oh. When I tried to get out, and then get out to me.
Why were you trying to get it out? I never said.
I didn't.
You just said you were trying to get it
No,
out.
I said to put my hand in it.
No, you said you were trying to get it out.
No, like.
Yes, you did. Guys, comment down below if you heard her saying that she was trying to get this out when I told her not to. Comment
No,
down
I
below.
didn't get it out. I said to like.
Comment
do
down below for
something.
proof. Comment down
You
below
guys
for
are
proof.
a liar.
Quit being mean to my fans.
I don't care about you guys.
Stop. But I will have Mom ground you.
Not no hospital. Cause I just want to go. Stop.
Well, we could go outside and make a video after I color for a little bit. Go get your box. Put your shirt back on now.
I'm just telling them. Stupid
Can you hand me my lids, please? Now can you go grab your box so you can color with me?
Oh, cause I'm gonna do things.
Well, no. It's my stuff. She's so annoying. Comment down below if she said that she was trying to take it out. Actually, I told her, do not take it out. Comment down below, please. Please quit. You didn't get all the markers, just so you know.
It was hiding.
Okay.
So I live at stop on these.
It's fine. Okay, you can use the markers. So, show them yours, your mom. So this is my sister's. She's only 6 years old, so.
No, I'm still 5.
But you're 6. You're like 6 because your birthday is like June or
No, no.
July.
Yours is John.
Okay, this is mine. That's where I left off yesterday.
But where's the box?
My box in my room.
Why didn't it show him?
Because I didn't want to right now. Because all we're doing is these and he's doing that.
You see my birdie?
I saw your birdie.
No, my other one. It's right there. I cut it in a little bit. What was that?
Gum. Ouch. Just kicked my foot.
Now I just threw a flower. A big one.
My box is really cool. Arda, can you go grab my box?
Hold on. I'll do my bed. And then throw my... Not my bed, I'll find my flower. I mean...
Okay. So,
And I'll be getting her box, so it'll take a little while to get her box. Cause I will cut her and then I know way back here.
there's a light yellow. There's like a highlighter yellow.
I don't know. I just use this one.
Okay, so next we're going to be doing... Okay, so this is the color that I used.
Okay.
I forgot to show you guys the colors. that I used. Okay, so that's what I colored with yellow, as you can see on camera. Now I'm gonna do the pink. It's pink, if you guys can see. Won't focus if I put my hand up. That's the pink that I'm using.
Sissy,
What?
why nothing not in it?
Push.
I had that in mine.
Okay, so this is my box so far. Just the pink and blue themed right now.
Here's my flower.
But it'll be blue,
Okay.
pink, and purple,
My flower.
and a little bit of green, and a little bit of pink. So,
My flower right there.
yeah, they see it. Go. We might color. I might color this next. So, while she's still coloring that. Or did you know you're allowed to color it on the outside and the inside too?
Yeah.
So, for this pink, we're gonna be coloring this part that's right next to the yellow. So let's go.
So this is my pipe. What?
I just had a great idea.
What?
I'm gonna finish this and then we can do the 3-marker challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, after I finish my pink, we're gonna do the 3-marker challenge. Keep coloring.
No, I'm waiting for you.
Keep coloring them.
I'm going to figure out.
We gotta get a coloring book.
Huh?
We gotta go get a coloring book.
Why?
For the 3-marker challenge. Duh. Oh, shoot.
Why?
Nothing.
I will put it on my box. If it's some base on it. Could it
Okay.
stuff on it?
Okay, well, I'm done with my pink. So this is what it looks like so far. Do you guys like it? Comment down below if you like it. Did I put your markers back? No?
Okay, so this how mine looks like so far. Mine is kind of the best, but hers pretty. If comment below. Here, let me see my face. Oh, you see my face. And I'll show you my name.
I'll go get a coloring
I
book.
will write my name.
No.
I just write my name down.
Here, right on the back. Right on this part. What color? Okay.
So this is how I spell my name. A
They can't see.
U D R. Wait, you go.
A-U-D-R-E-Y.
A D
A-U-D.
A E
A-U-D.
U D R E Y.
Yep. Okay. Now
I write my name.
let's write it on mine. So this is how you write my name. So N A T A L I E.
Late.
That spells Natalie. And that's actually pretty neat. Except for the N. Minus the N. So
This is when you take away A
A-T-A-L.
carry. Why book would it
So
carry?
this is my onslaught.
Sissy,
And this is my really
Sissy.
neat one.
why Cowie or book would there come to our birthday
I don't
party?
know.
Not need a wire. Why?
Josh. Go follow if you guys have TikTok. Go follow Miley. She's awesome. It is at at symbol, and then Miley, MYLEE. Be writing this down. Doan, DOAN, and then 0. That's literally what it is. So if you guys wrote it down, look it up on TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, shame on you. Just kidding, guys. If you guys don't have TikTok, you should get it. It's pretty fun. You make music videos. It's not like what you sing, but other people sing, and you just gotta go. So say that it's saying row, row, row your boat. So I'll go. So I'll go row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. But then you'll just mouth it. You'll just mouth sing it like. You just do that. It's easy. But if you do want to sing, there's a plus sign. You do that, and you just record. You can sing or do whatever. So, don't move the table. You're moving the table. Okay. So, this is the neatest as I could get. So let's put this. Let's lay these out to dry. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently. That eraser doesn't work. So you guys, you can talk to them while I go get a coloring book.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, our boat now hit a little wet, and then a little peaches, and then a little fucker on the water boat, and it looked like a ship, so you will whoop, happy as a sheep, if you kick it. Already tempted to let me.
Okay, so
Stuff in a different bit with bubbles.
So
I need one too.
I know.
I want.
No. I gotta pick Rebel too.
I want this one.
No, I'm getting that one.
This is what I draw.
Yep. Want trees?
Yeah. Wait, why down right there?
It's fine. It's just from marker. You want it?
I want.
What, sky?
Yeah. It way down.
No.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't want it.
Oh my god. What, this one?
Yes. Don't whip it.
It's fine. It's not on the picture.
Yes, it is.
It's fine.
I got two.
Just rip it off. See? Okay, so let's show them the picture. So
I
this
got
is
two.
this is what Audrey's gonna be coloring. Yeah, baby. Coloring this side. Oh, ow. And this is what I'm gonna be coloring. Level.
Wait, this is
So,
yours.
no, that's Carson's. Okay, sit back, sit back, sit back. Color this.
Okay. No, we had to do a marker sign.
I know. Close your eyes. No, not yet. See this paper.
Hey,
Hold on, I'll give it right back.
what are you doing with my paper?
I'm not doing anything. Let me see her.
Not peeking.
Well, I don't trust Audrey. This is what all people do. Okay, pick.
3.
1, 2, 3. Red. Okay, let's show them. She got.
With my paper.
No, color. No, color. Pick up those. Look what. So this is the first color she got. This was the second color. It's gray. The first one was aqua. And she got red. None of the colors that Rebel has. So, Audrey, you get to mix them up. Mix them up. Tell me
Okay.
when you're done. Are you done?
Yep. Green, yellow, purple.
You're not supposed to tell me. Now I get to go again. You can't tell me. You're just supposed to be silent. Mix them up again. You can't tell me. You can't say the colors. Same colors. So these are the 3 colors I got. Green, yellow, and purple. I already showed them. Okay, so. Okay, I know what to do.
I'm coming.
Alright. Well. I've been filming for about a half an hour.
Where we pick these up?
No, you gotta keep it. And no, you gotta keep it. You gotta keep coloring with it until you need it again. Don't put it back though, because you might need it again.
Tight.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a stream. Row, row, row your boat before the alligator
Are you
gets
done
you.
with this?
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I really want gray, but I can't.
Why?
Because these are the colors that I got.
What?
Nothing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I'm going about like 40 minutes now, so.
That'll be.
So I don't know how to edit, but I might know how to edit.
What?
I should have watched the video before this. I'm so dumb.
Who colored? What is that?
This is my word.
That is a kid color.
No, it's not.
No, that's a poop color.
No, it's not. You guys should go watch Piper Rock Cow on YouTube. I told you this yesterday, and I told you to write it down, so you guys should watch her. She's awesome. She does the last 2. She does 24 hours. She does pranks. They call it Frank's Pranks because her dog's name is Frank. And Frank rhymes with prank. So
Or Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Or Frankenhand.
No. Show them yours so far.
Wait a minute, let me do this. These are mine.
That's hers so far. She hasn't even colored Rebel. She's only colored in the
Words.
the letters. So
But we have to get on our page.
it's 3 record challenge. We're gonna be doing 3 rounds. So this is mine so far. Now I'm gonna be doing Rebel's eyes, purple. Stop shaking the table.
How come not? Wait. Where'd you put that? Look at mine.
Excuse me.
It's a pattern. Color. It is a rainbow.
Gray, green, red. Gray, green, red. Gray. Audrey, you messed up. Gray, green, red. Gray, green, red. Gray, green, red. Gray. That's how your pattern was. Gray, green, red. Gray, green, red. And then it goes to green, gray, red, green, red, gray, green, red, gray, green, green, red, gray, green. Okay, I'm gonna be using
Not done.
this for basically everything. No, you just have to color the bottom.
And then the shorts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show.
I get the highlighter one.
No fair.
That's fine.
Bella.
It's not the right shade of yellow for Rebel.
I just kicked Bella in the face
Okay, Bella.
on accident. So when I was
Bella's a dog. I showed you guys her yesterday.
When I
If you were there yesterday's video, go check it out. It was awesome.
when her was right there, I was like,
Oh my
on
God.
accident went cook. I was like, are you okay, Bella? Huh?
As you could see, you saw all my animals that you get for one dog. One.
Chewy.
Chewy, 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 chewy.
You wanna see?
I don't know where Chewy is right now.
Her puppet. Her puppet now. Oh yeah.
No, put her down. I already showed her.
How do people didn't watch it?
Oh.
Good.
I told them to check it out. We'll check it out right now.
But they're watching everybody right now. Mine is some pollen. Pull up. Green, red,
Gray, green, red, gray, green, red, gray,
where it
green,
is.
red, red, green, red, gray, green, red, gray. Green, red, gray, green, red, gray. I got a green, red, gray pattern. I got a green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, gray, red, green, gray, red. I can't say it fast. Green, red, red, green. Ugh.
Wait, look at my picture.
We're doing the 3-marker challenge.
You doing what?
The 3-marker challenge.
What's that?
That's where you pick 3 markers and you have to color with these 3 markers on.
Oh,
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
Where's Shuey? Illuminate him
Who?
in. Shuey?
Earlier.
How nice is it out there?
Carson and Review.
I'm doing my picture right now.
Okay. So, this is mine so far.
I'm going to show you. This is not so far.
Put it too close. This is hers so far. So yeah. I'm gonna be doing the purple. That's my brother. You guys can hear him.
Taking a shower, a bath, naked.
Poor Audrey.
Here's my dress.
Wait, you want my new outfit?
No, you're not wearing your new outfit to your dad's. I don't think so. What? Oh, she's buying a new outfit, but it says she ain't take or wearing it over to his house. So where are they going? Yes, I'm just going to go to the fucking gas station. I'm pissed I like some gas.
Got off for a shirt.
Alright, so let's finish our last bit, then we'll finish it tomorrow.
No,
Maybe
we-
tomorrow, maybe.
Oh, we can do this side too.
Alright,
We have to do this side. So, this is
okay.
mine.
So,
This is mine.
hope you guys.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
I didn't. Can I make combo?
Well, you get to color it.
What are you guys fighting about now?
You guys,
I didn't even cut
Peace.
my wobble.
Why are you guys fighting?